Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Gauri Range. In this video lecture, we start the second topic, profit and loss. Now see the important formulas in the profit and loss. When we get a profit in a transaction and when we get a loss in a transaction. If there are two important things here, one is a selling price and another is a cost price. If selling price is greater than cost price, then we get a profit in the total transaction. So remember the formula, profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. Okay, also similarly if cost price is less than selling price, then we get a loss and we can find the actual loss as loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Also we find the percentage profit by using this formula. When we find the percentage profit or percentage loss, it find out on a cost price. Remember this thing. Always we find the percentage profit or percentage loss on a cost price. So remember the formula, percentage profit is equal to actual profit divided by cost price into 100. So actual profit is SP minus CP upon CP into 100. Okay, after simplifying you get a percentage profit by using this formula. Similarly, to find the percentage loss is also find out on a cost price and the percentage loss is equal to actual loss upon cost price into 100. So actual loss is CP minus SP upon CP into 100. Okay, simplifying this expression we get the value of or we get the percentage loss. Okay, third quantity C, if CP is known, percentage profit is known, then how to find SP? Okay, if cost price is known and percentage profit is known, then how to find selling price? So see the formula, selling price is equal to 100 plus percentage profit upon 100 into CP. Okay, this is one of the case when we have known the cost price and we have known the percentage profit. Okay, in another case, if percentage loss is known, in another case, remember, if percentage loss is known, CP is known, then same formula is used, only change is that SP is equal to 100 minus percentage loss upon 100 into CP. Okay, in case of loss, remember this, SP is equal to 100 minus percentage loss upon 100 into CP. These are the some important formulas to solve the problems on profit and loss. So remember profit, when we get a profit in the transaction, when we get loss in the transaction, how to find the percentage profit and how to find percentage loss. Now see some problems on profit and loss, how to find profit, how to find loss, how to find percentage profit and how to find percentage loss. So see the example, CP is equal to 500 rupees, SP is equal to 600 rupees. Find out the percentage profit or loss. Okay, so we have to actually find out here is a profit or here is a loss in a transaction. So observe the value of SP and value of the CP. So see, SP is a greater than CP. Okay, value of the SP is 600, value of the CP is 500. So SP is greater than CP. Therefore, there is a profit in the transaction. And how to find profit? Actual profit is SP minus CP. So SP is a 600, CP is a 500. So profit is a 100 rupees. So here we get in the transaction 100 rupees profit. Now find out the percentage profit. So use the formula, percentage profit is equal to actual profit upon cost price into 100. So actual profit is 100 rupees, cost price is a 500 rupees into 100. And after simplification here, see By using simple calci, you can find out it or simplify it. 520 is a 100. Therefore, percentage profit is equal to 20%. So, in this transaction, we get a profit and we get a 20% profit in this transaction. Now see the next problem. A TV set costing rupees 12,000 was sold for rupees 13,500. Find the percentage profit or loss. So according to given question, see the solution. Cost price is at 12,000 is given and selling price is 13,500 rupees is given. So see, observe that selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, so here we get a profit in this transaction and find out the profit. Selling price minus cost price, that is 13,500 minus 12,000, we get a profit 1,500 rupees. Now find out the percentage profit. Use the formula actual profit upon cost price into 100. So actual profit is 1,500, cost price is 12,000 rupees and into 100, and after simplifying this we get here answer 12.5%. So in this transaction we get a profit of 12.5%. Similar, see the next problem. A car costing rupees 3,50,000 was sold for rupees 2,85,000. Find the percentage profit or loss. So first observe the given things. We have given the cost price and we have given the selling price. So cost price is a 3,50,000 and selling price is a 2,85,000. So observe that here cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, and we know when cost price is a greater than selling price, then we get a loss in the transaction. So actual loss कितना होगा? So actual loss equal to CP minus SP, that is 3,50,000 minus 2,85,000. So we get a loss here 65,000 rupees. Okay, actual loss equal to CP minus SP, that is 3,50,000 minus 2,85,000. So find out the actual percentage loss. See, actual loss divided by cost price into 100. Okay, we know when we find percentage profit or loss, it always find out on cost price. So formula is actual loss upon cost price into 100. So simplify it, we get an answer 18.58%. Okay, so in this transaction we get a loss of 18.58%. So remember the formula of percentage profit, percentage loss, actual profit and actual loss. See the next problem. Same, a person purchased a motorcycle of rupees 50,000. Sales is at a loss of 20%. What is the selling price? So see, in the given CP is given 50,000 and loss is given 20%. So we know the formula SP is equal to 100 minus percentage loss upon 100 into CP. Okay, put the value. Percentage loss is 100 minus 20 upon 100 into 50,000. Simplify it, 80 upon 100 into 50,000. So after simplifying we get a selling price is a 40,000. When we have given the CP and we have given the percentage loss, use this formula. So these are the some examples of profit and loss when we have given selling price, cost price, percentage profit or percentage loss. Now we see more examples in the next video lecture. Thank you.